Alright, so today we're going to show you how to replace the blades on our Philips Norelco dry shave razor. You got a clip right here in the front, pop it open. If it's easier, you can pull off the head on the back side. It might just come off automatically. But look, you see these arrows right there? You turn the other way, pull that retainer out. And I'm just going to turn these over and dump these out. Now, the new part here, you have these little wings. And that kind of shows you where to line them up. So if you look, they'll kind of sit flat. Oop, knocked it around. Sorry, it kind of came up. Alright, so you see the wing there. And the final one's a wing right there. Once you have that, put your retaining piece back in. Push down on it, and you turn it with the arrows. There you go. It's fixed. Man tips.